Y'all want me to be transparent with y'all? I'm minding my business walking. I'm like, what the hell is this? I need to wrap it up, grip it, wrap it up, and pull it.
I think about you all the time. I want you to free my mind. I want you to free my mind.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I still sound pretty sick. It is currently Wednesday, so Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I've been sick for about going on 4 days. I don't know if I counted it right. I've been sick since Sunday. I feel better, like walking wise, like I'm not as weak. But I just came home from work and my sister got me a gift. I know yesterday I did the unboxing for my backpack for school. School starts in 5 days. And she told me this was supposed to arrive tomorrow, but it came today. I know what it is, but I'm gonna still ask her. She doesn't watch my YouTube, so I'm gonna ask Elle's sister, by the way. But I'm gonna actually like unbox it for y'all because I like to unbox packages. I know what it is because I felt it. It was either one or two things. I thought it was gonna be a pink Bible because I kept saying I wanted one, and she's like, "I'm gonna get you one." I'm like, knowing her, she's actually gonna get me a Bible, which is no problem. But she was like, "Oh, late Christmas gift." I know it's. I'm not gonna say what it is. I'm gonna actually do a real unboxing. I just can feel it, and I know. Like I'm always buying something, so I know. But I'm gonna do a legit unboxing. Boots. I was right. Cause I sent her. She was supposed to be helping me look for some, and she never like. She's like, "Okay, I'll look for these for today," and then she never sent me which ones. And I sent her a whole bunch, and she went with these. Period. First of all, does she know my shoe size? Hold on. Oh, she do. Okay, hold up. I think I might have said it in the message. She didn't know it unless I said it. But these are cutesy. I think these are the ones that her. I don't know. But they look like, because I was looking at the North Face ones and the other ones. Let me try it before I cut it. Period. They fit. Oh, I'm wearing tomorrow. Period. They're very cutesy. And I feel like they have good grip because today I had on my UGG knee-high. They're really rain boots. But I was wearing those to get to work. And then at work I slip into my my slipper Uggs because I'm not walking around in rain boots. It's so uncomfortable. I'm like more of comfort and cute than like safe, I guess. But I still was gonna wear like rain boots or something waterproof than like sneakers, you know. But let me show y'all what these look like. I don't have the right pants on to show y'all, but they're comfortable. Yeah, and I can actually wear these all day and not just for that moment. And I can wear it like that, you know. I don't have to wear like tucked in. These are cute though, and they're comfortable. Period. Okay, thanks. Sister. I was feeling the size. I'm like, these are boots, but I didn't want to ruin because it's not my birthday obviously, but like every time she gets me something like birthday wise, like I always ruin the gift. I always ruin it. Not because I guess what it is, but because I'll talk crap about what she got me before I even know that that's what she got me. Like every time. But these are these are cute. It's not a birthday gift obviously, but it's like still. But when I felt it, I'm like, and when I seen the H&M, I'm like, she wouldn't give me anything for H&M, but I just sent her something. So that's cute. I appreciate you, sister girl. Definitely gonna wear these tomorrow. I'm gonna call her now and actually tell her thanks, because I know her hype booty butt want to see my reaction because she thinks I'm so funny with reactions. It's the funniest thing. Like, I don't know why. I don't know why I should be thinking I'm funny. I probably am funny acting. I don't know. It depends on what it is. Like, if I don't like it, I don't know how to lie. But I like them. So, thanks, sister girl. Appreciate you. Your girl. I'm not buying no other winter shoes because all the shoes I was looking at were ugly. These are actually kind of calm, simple. They're not doing too much. They're cute little platform. I know she really likes them because of the platform. But they're calm. They're cute. I can't say they're me, but they're like something I would wear. Like, they're chilling. They're feminine. Like, I don't like bulky, ugly shoes that are like boy shoes. A boy couldn't wear these, so I think these are cutesy, calm. Glad I didn't have to spend my money. And she brought me lunch today from Chick-fil-A, so I appreciate you. Y'all want me to be transparent with y'all? This is so funny. So I got my hair braided. Mind you, I usually do my own hair. I don't go to other people to do my hair. But because I have locks and it was taking too long because I have nails. And I don't do box braids. Like, I want it knotless, but because I have locks, I can't. So I want to go get it braided. They braided my scalp. They braided my edges, y'all. Like, they braided my edges. This is not hair that's supposed to be braided. This is baby hair. So she had braided, I got a bump right there. She braided my baby hair. While I wake up today, I'm minding my business walking. I look on the ground and I'm like, what the hell is this? I'm like, I know there's no way. The way my hair was braided so tight, there's no way a braid could have fell out. I'm gonna do a thumbnail like she pulled my hair out. let me click these, y'all. Hold on 1 second. Y'all, this came out and I'm like, I know which one it is. I touch right here, I say yep. Because that was the only braid. All the braids are in a row. This one all the way to here. This is my edges. Why would she braid my edges? You is not supposed to be doing that. And I have a bump right there. Like, I'm surprised my hair didn't come out with it. Like, look at how short. She gripped my thoughts and put it in a braid. Like, each time I would put my hair in a bun, it was just that one braid right there. I'm like, yo, because the other girl, it was multiple people in my head. The other girl knew better than to do that. My edges are still right here. They're still right here. But this girl decided, oh, let me braid her thoughts. Let me braid her prayers. Let me braid her manifestations and wrap it up, grip it, wrap it up, and pull it, and make it work. Because there's no way. Like, I've never had a braid slip out of my head in my life. And I have locks. That wouldn't happen. But you want to know why it happened? Because you're braiding. That's like taking baby hair right here and saying, hey, I'm just going to decide to braid it. That's why I left my edges out when I went there. I said, look, just do what you see. Don't touch yourself. I didn't know I had to say that for the back of my edges too. Like, that is crazy. For real. For real. Braid on the floor. What if I was out at work and I walk and I'm just swinging, la 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 la, and this come out when it was never supposed to be in? Lord. And I sent her a picture and she's like, come back so we can fix it. No, it ain't supposed to be in there, but it's just like, this is the ghetto. It's ghetto. I've never had that happen in my life. That's like a track falling out when you walking. Do better, y'all. For real. Don't be braiding people's edges. Like, what the hell did you think was going to happen? I'm glad it came out, though, because it was a bump right here. Like, I have sensitive, tender-headed skin and all of that stuff. And you over here braiding my manifestations. Like, I don't like that type of stuff. Sounding so nasally and sick and nasty, it'll be like so much better when I can actually feel like myself. I feel like crap. Last night I was reading my little book that I've been trying to catch up on. It's all old looking. When I literally bought this, like, I'm not gonna say last year, it was definitely like 2 years ago, but I've been like procrastinating. I have a lot of books right here, and that's just one of them. It just was harder to get through it reading it wise, because like some stuff would hit home and I'm like, dang. So I just started doing the audiobook and like folding at the same time, because a lot of time I'll get tied up with my tasks that I have to do. I actually have to do physically, and then I won't be able to read and do it. So I was like, let me just put the audiobook on, have the book on the same page, and make sure I'm like keeping up with it, but at the same time I still was getting other stuff done. So love a multitasking queen. Yeah, that was it. Make sure I like and comment. I'm gonna merge this with my unboxing my book bag. I actually wore my book bag today, and it's very heavy right now. It's actually very heavy, period. Not gonna lie. First of all, I look like a child. Hold up. Let me double strap up. Like, yeah, they definitely gonna try to play me. Like, they already thought I was a child. There's no way in hell you can look at me and think I'm I'm grown. That is actually sad. Besides my neck tats. Yeah, actually, because of my neck tats and my piercings, you should know I'm a real YN. For real. A real GN. For real. I look like a child. But school starts in literally 5 days. Oh my freaking gosh. For real. I don't know what to feel. I just don't want to be overwhelmed. Seriously, that's all I ask, to just not overwhelm me. I really look like a child. No. Alright. No. That's why I didn't want a book bag. I was like a little behind girl. I'm gonna call my dad. Being like portrayed as a child. Man, like I be having kids calling me kids. Like I'm talking about 15-year-olds be thinking I'm their age, and it's like, yo, I'm 10 years older than you. Put some respect on my name. For real. Ugh. But it's cool. It'll be cool in about 20 years when I'm 40. And I'm like, yep, I'm 20. But yeah, y'all, I don't really have nothing to talk about right now. I just want to chat to get some minutes. Oh, I just need a scalp massage. But yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all. Oh shit. Alright, let's go.
My brain is made for